Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the SIM is active and you have your carrier's APN credentials: name, APN, MCC, MNC. Once done, make a backup or note existing APN values so you can revert. Next, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, choose Mobile Network, then access point names. Tap the plus or new APN to begin. You're now positioned to enter the exact values. Precise entries matter because small typos break data and MMS. You'll now complete the middle steps. Input name and APN exactly as provided, then enter username and password if required. Make sure MCC and MNC match your carrier. Set authentication type to PAP, CHAP, or none per instructions. For APN type, use values like default, SUPL, MMS, comma separated when needed. Once filled, save and tap the new APN to select it. Then toggle mobile data off and back on to register the change. You finish by rebooting the phone and testing mobile data, MMS, and any tethering or VoLTE LTE features you need. Verify speeds and attachments. If the connection fails, reset APNs to defaults or perform a full network settings reset, then re-enter the carrier values carefully. Make sure the SIM is in the primary slot and that no VPN or proxy is blocking access. If problems persist, try the carrier SIM in another phone to isolate whether the issue is the SIM, the phone, or the APN entries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.